Hello, welcome to the Out There channel. This is just a quick promo to tell you about a special guest we got coming up this Sunday, 3:30 p.m. Eastern time and 12:30 Pacific time, and that will be like 8:30 p.m. UK time and 9:30 in the morning New Zealand time. So yeah, we've got Bruce Maccabee coming on. I'll just switch on over to the main screen. And so we'll be looking over some of his UFO cases, mostly to start with Gulf Breeze case, but this may be one of many, hopefully, of him coming on to discuss the various UFO cases or any other UFO topic he wants to talk about. So this could be a good beginning with Bruce getting familiar with what we do on our channel. We've got a good group of people that are real truthers that call out BS and debunk other UFO videos and have their own personal up-close experiences of seeing UFOs over houses and forests. Also flying overseas. So this is what our group consists of, real experiences, and we also have science degrees, and we can sort of relate to Bruce's technical understanding of things. So it should be really interesting to see how it all pads out, and we'll see you on Sunday, hopefully with no technical errors. So yeah, so you can see he's got some bio up here on the screen, and I'll catch you soon. Thanks again, Paul. Take care out there.